In this video, we'll discuss a perfect one product store layout and shrine theme alternatives. So if you know a perfect theme for Shopify for one product store is shrine theme, but their license is quite expensive. There comes with $149 plan, another one comes with 350 USD. But in this video, I will cover with you how you can create a similar looking layout just like their homepage and product page using Pagefly. And in this video, I'll cover this with you. We'll create a similar looking homepage just like one of their demo using Pagefly editor with drag and drop, so you don't need any single line of code. You can do it by yourself. And we'll also make a product page as well. And if you understand that process, you can create a look just like shrine theme without putting 149 USD or 350 USD, which is quite expensive. And all you need is to have installed Pagefly in your store. Also, I will share with you free a few premium templates that you can get by with one click and start using it. So just install Pagefly and then we are good to go. And also in the description you will find a link to the templates that we are building, the 4 templates from shrine theme demos, to homepage to product page for only 39 USD. So if you don't want to build this by yourself and do the all the hard work by yourself, then you can get those templates from me with 100% mobile responsive. The link will be given in the description. So just 39 USD and you will get access to all the templates and how the templates look in mobile, in desktop. You can get all the details from the given details below. So check this out. So you will get, you will get complete 4 templates just like shrine themes. Two demo, one demo comes for 149, another comes from 350. You will get all of those, a close look, something similar that will work perfectly and get you better conversion for a very cheap price. So if I show you, you will get something like this, a home page just like they have in their homepage. Will get something similar to that, a homepage just like that. Okay, something similar homepage just like that I rebuilt using shrine theme. Okay, using shrine theme. So let me show you how that actually looks like. So if I open it, so this is the page looks like, something similar to their demo. So you can change all of those text, color and everything, and these are 100% mobile responsive. So if you want those templates, what you can do, you can just get those with one click and just check the link in the description. So as we already discussed, we need the Pagefly app. So you have to install it. Other than that, we need a bundle app. If you want to use bundle, same like they used in their stores in Shrine theme. Okay. So this is the thing. So for Pagefly, the custom design that we will do using Pagefly, after installing it, you need to access it from apps, and then you will find the Pagefly app there. If you already installed it, if you have not installed, the link will be in the description. Just install it into your Shopify store. Then click Pagefly. And if you are installing Pagefly for very first time, few things or few settings needs to be done. One of the setting is, you will find two pop-up appearing in your store. One is we have to enable this and this. So just click enable Pagefly page helper. That means we need to embed Pagefly into our Shopify theme, so it actually works perfectly. So click on go to theme editor, and then this is just only for the first time when we are installing Pagefly in a new store. We have to do this. Then the other things, then you don't require to be done any setting anymore. Then you will find, then click cross icons and you will find it is already enabled. All you need to do is to click on save. Okay, that is done. Another thing we can do into our theme, whenever we are designing a store, few things are fixed, like what font we will use. In that case, they are using Poppins font. Whatever background color we are using for our branding, you can define that straight away. Okay, so for that, all you need to do, click on this theme setting, then go to typography and then choose your heading font, body font. So click on choose the Poppins font as they are using. So we are also going to Poppins font, and for headline, maybe for headline it will be bold, that means 700, right? So click on this, from regular to we will choose bold. So click on select, then scroll down, go to body font, that means paragraph and everything, and then again for this, again click on load more. I think we have to be search. Okay, the search should appear. Okay, then click on the pop-ins. Okay, so search for pop-ins. So click on pop-ins, it will be regular. Click on save and click on save. We can also define color, but color can be defined from Pagefly as well. So then click the cross icon and we'll redirect to Pagefly. Now refresh the Pagefly editor once again with the refresh button in our Chrome browser or any other browser that you are using. You will found one pop-up has been gone, another pop-up remained, which we need to UI optimization need to be enabled, so we get the best experience. That means we accept all cookies to load the pages faster. Click on enable UI optimization. That is the fundamental setting we need to do when we are first installing Pagefly into our Shopify store. Okay, now we can start building the pages. Now let's move to the demo. So as you know, we already discussed in the intro part of the video, you can get those templates for Shrine themes, 4 templates, 4 templates, 2 homepage templates, 2 product page templates. The details has been given all in the video, but in this video I am showing you right now the process that if you don't want to purchase templates, you don't have budget of 150 or 350, you want to do it yourself. Okay, by yourself without hiring anyone and give your store a premium look, then this video is for you. You can do it by yourself using the Pagefly app. So now got back here, click on the pages. Now all you need to do is to start creating our custom pages. So keep it in mind that whenever Pagefly is free for one page, I am using a development store, that way you won't find it that I will be able to create 2 pages. But if you are using a real store, that means when you are using Shopify for selling products to other people, one page is free in Pagefly. For second page, you need to go to the paid plan. So if you are using paid plan, install it using my link and send me an email in my Gmail. I will give you a coupon code to save 20%. Okay, for any plan. Then we need to click on create blank page and we need to choose the page type. The page type means, if you see, this is the home page, and if we click on any button, it goes to product page, and if we click any of this FAQ button, it goes to a sub page which have pages / the page name, and for product page it has products / the product name. Very simple explanation. So in that case, we need to create a home page and then we need to create a product page. So first of all, we will click on home and you will find that Pagefly editor already comes where the magic begins and you start building your custom design by your own. So first of all, let's click on add element, and you can see there is some shortcuts available there. Control S or Command S to make save, and then Control Shift S to save and publish the page. Okay, now click on add element, click on layout, drag it, then click on add element and take a heading from here. Okay, I am not going into deep, just click on this cross icon to cross it, then go to styling, the heading is selected, and make sure you notice this part of the Pagefly, which is very important because it contains a section, and then under that section we have a row, and this row contain a column and the column containing a headline. This is how the elements can be navigate from this menu of Pagefly. Go to styling, and now we just need to select the fonts. Scroll down, click on this font family to this setting icon, and then just search for Poppins once again. Then click on select, and now if we scroll down, we will find Poppins is there in the drop down menu. Now let's back to the design. So I will not cover each and every part of it. I am showing you just few part of it, and if you want, you can, by following the same fundamentals, you can build the whole store. And if you want to see another more detailed video, I have a 5-hour tutorial which I link in the card and the description as well. You can check this out, but you will get an overall idea about how to create a similar looking clone of Shrine theme by yourself. Okay, by yourself, it is very easy to do if you understand Pagefly and put some effort into Pagefly. Now let's discuss about how to design this particular area. This is an image. Okay, this is an image. As you can see, this is the image they are using. You can design that hiring a designer or developer by yourself. Whatever you want to use here, you can use this particular image. That means a background image. Okay, now let's go. Let's click on add element, take a layout. I will take 2-column layout. I'm explaining why I'm taking 2-column layout, and I delete that top layout. Click on the section, go to styling, scroll down, go to select image, and then we will upload the background image. Click on upload from computer, go to download, and that's where the image I have saved. So I will upload it and I will go over it how it looks and why I have taken 2 column. I will explain it. So this is the headline. It is 42 pixel, 52 line height. Then we have a paragraph. It is 16 pixel. Then we have a button. So first of all, I will copy the headline from here. Okay, the headline from here, and now the image has been updated. So click on select, then click on mode setting, click on center or bar, something like this. Now go to top, then get some padding. That means 250 and 250, something like this. Okay, so then the image will be get bigger. Okay, that's good. Now click on add element, go to headline, drag a headline into the next column. If you see that design, this left side is blank, but the content is in the right side. That's why I have taken two column. So the left column will be blank, but the right side we will have contents there. But for that, if we click on this column, we can come to styling and make everything left align, just like that, because you can see the every elements is left align from here. So I'll go to that headline, go to general and control A, control B, paste all the things. Then I will make it H1, because we need to use H1 one time in our whole design headline for SEO purpose. Click on styling, go to color, give it white, scroll down, and then make every time you take a headline or paragraph in Pagefly, make sure you come to it and give a 0 margin. Then you can put margin, but this margin will actually not work in the live page. Okay, keep it in mind. And now click on this, go to Poppins. Fantastic. Now let's make it 42 pixel. Now let's go to that and make the line height 52. Okay, now if you see this, the number one smart copying messenger, this should be in the 2 line. Okay, don't worry about it, we'll make it in the 2 line. Let's click on it, go to regular to bold. Okay, that is good. Now let's make it something like this. Anything that when it is going 2 line, we will go with it, and then we can make the line height a little bit larger, just like that. So it looks perfect. Okay, it looks perfect. Now we have some few more paragraphs, right? So click on that, and I'm just copying the same paragraph that they are using. So click on the add element, go to paragraph, drag it under that one, and then just control A, control V to copy it. Click on styling, and then just make it white, and then we can go to margin, make it 0, and now we can see there is some spacing between this headline and the paragraph. If we see what is the spacing means, margin top 1 rem, we can give it 15 pixel. So let's give it 15 pixel, and if we go, then there is a button in the bottom, so we can click on that, go to scroll down, make it Poppins. Okay, first of all, and then we can make it regular, that good. Then we can see there is a button. So for the button, or we can make it more light, I think. Yes, that is look good. And now let's make it 18 pixel at least, and also give the line height to 25 or 28. Okay, now click on add element, go to button, drag a button under this one, and then go to that button, then give some margin at least 20. Okay, then go to shrine theme, and let's see what is this button is all about. It is the padding is okay, margin top a. Okay, then we have some margins here. Okay, we have some margins and some get yours. Or okay, so click on this, click on get yours. Okay, then click on styling, scroll down, make it Poppins, and then make it Poppins, and then we can scroll to top 15, 15, and then we can see there is a background. This is not using a background, so click on the background, make it transparent. Okay, give border and make it white, make it white. Okay, make it white, but we have some border radius, so click on it, scroll down, go to mode setting. Now give some border radius of 10. Okay, and then we have to make it large, I think 20 will be better. And then we have some padding things to do, like 25. Okay, now we can see it's looking much better. Now we can give it some animation. If you scroll down, you will find a mouse over, it will be float. Float is the best things to do. So now you can see this how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. You can click on the section, scroll down, and you can try to play with the setting. Now you can see this setting, I think much better. The hand position looks much better. We are only focusing on the desktop currently. So if you want to make it publish, click on Ctrl S or click this save button. And if you want to make it only save, click on Ctrl S or click save. Or if you want to publish it as a home page into your store, then click this button, save and publish, or for shortcut Ctrl Shift S to make our life easier. So click on Ctrl Shift S, Ctrl S. Okay, please. Okay, first of all, you need to save it. So just give it according to your store name. So I'm giving it Sunshine Pro Theme. Okay. Then we can publish it. First of all, just save it for the first time. Then we can publish it and we can make it. Then click on publish. And we may need the password. Okay, so I think we need to click on the exit button and get the store password again. So click on that and go to online store. Then in the preference, if our store is password protected, my store is development, so it will be password protected. But in your case, it may not be password protected if you are using a real store, but you need to make it password protected unless our store is completed, so people don't see any dummy things or any pages uncompleted. So click on the pages again inside Pagefly app and reopen it again. And now let's click on this view live page. It will ask me password, so I'll give my store password, and then you will find that the design is there. Okay, our design is there, but one things you will notice is it is quite large. Then they have, right, like this area is quite large. This how it should fill up, but in our case it is quite large. Okay, so we need to fix it. How to fix it? Go to the section, go to styling, let's make it 200 200. That will be better. 200 and 200. Okay, 200 and 200. The height will be reduced. Then click on Ctrl Shift S for the shortcut, or Command Shift S if you are in the Mac. So we don't need to use the button again and again. So click on view live page and let's see if the page has been reduced. So you can see the space has been reduced. We can reduce it even more if we like to. I think 170 and 170 will be perfect. Now click on Ctrl Shift S again, and I'll disclose these two tabs and reopen the page again. So let's see, click on it, and now it is much better, I think. Now one thing you are seeing that we have few extra sections which we have not designed using Pagefly. So where this is coming from? This is coming from theme, and we can easily fix it. So click on this and then click on, I'll click right click and make it open tab, so my Pagefly don't go away. It is already in the Pagefly. I am opening a new tab for the theme. So I am going into online store and then themes to make those changes. Click on customize, and we need to delete or hide the sections from home page area because Pagefly design is adding below that. As you can see, now we have two sections taken from Dawn theme by default. So I need to click on delete, or I can make it I off. I will delete it because I don't require it. So click on save. Other than that, if you see their header, you need to just add your logos and everything to match the header, okay, and footer and the color and everything. This is by up to you. You need to do it. It cannot be done with Pagefly, the header and footer things, and as well as the announcement bar thing. These are there in the theme. If you know that announcement bar is there, can change it. You can make the logo in the middle, change the links, color and everything. This is up to you. This is to you. Whatever you think works for you, just customize those header footer as like your likings. Okay, now this issue has been solved. Now go to Pagefly again, and now let's discuss about the mobile responsive. So if you see our design in mobile, this is how it looks. Okay, but if you see their design in mobile, which is most important, quite different look. This does not match with our design. How? Their design turned black, text turned black, button turned red. Everything has been changed. But in desktop, it was white, white, white. But in mobile, it is image in the top, then the text in black, paragraph in black, button in with red border and black text. Red border with red text. Okay. So how we can achieve it? So Pagefly have a few things we can take advantage of. First of all, this section, if I click on that section, if I go to general, if I scroll down, visibility things, I can hide this section to tablet and mobile, and I can design a section specifically for mobile, and this what we need to do for that section. So click on add element, go to layout, drag it here, okay, drag it here, click on section, then don't make it fixed with, click on add element, then drag an image under here, okay, then click on select image and choose the image. So I'll explain this, just wait with me. So then click on heading and then drag that heading under that image. Okay, now click on style, make it black. Okay, it should not be white anymore, so just make it in the center. Same goes for paragraph, click on duplicate and then with the dragging button drag it under the headline. Same with it, go to style, make it black, then scroll down, make it in the middle. Same goes for button, click on the button, duplicate it, drag it under the paragraph. Now the button color is different, right? Text and button is different, and we need to just pick the color code from here. So I think color, whatever color they are using, button text color. Okay, this type of color, red color. Okay, now go back here, click the button, go to style, make it red, scroll down, make a border as well, click on this, make the border color this as well, and same goes for, go to the pop-ins, make it, I think, semi bold, go to style, make it in the middle. Okay, now things has been matching with their mobile version. Okay, now if I go to the mobile, you will find we have a top section, bottom section, everything is there. We will remove that section. So click on the heading, and if you see in the mobile, the font size will be smaller, that is 32 pixel. Okay, that's for sure. In mobile it should not be that much large, so let's make it 32. Let's go to mode setting, let's make it 40, 39, 40, 5, 7 to 8. It should be nothing more than that. Then click on margin, let's keep some space from the top. Okay, and for that, go to that column, go to that column or that column. Okay, or what we can do. Okay, so now we can click on the heading, as well as we can give some margin from the left and from the right. From the left, and for mobile, from the left, from the right. Okay, that's good. Now that's looking good. So now you can see the design is done. So let's make it 0 and 0 as well, and for another spacing, go to that row, let's make it 0 also. Okay, that's good. That's looking good. So now the design is done. Now what we will do, we will just click on this section, go to general and make the visibility hide on tablet and mobile, and for that we'll do the same, click on the section and we'll hide that for desktop and laptop. Now if you go to mobile, this section will not be there, it will be that section with black text and everything, right, which is matching with our mobile version. So this how Pagefly give us the freedom to design a particular section only for mobile. As you can see, very easy to do. Okay, so now as you can see, this section is completed with mobile responsive. Now let's think about that section, which is also very easy. Let me explain this for you. Click on the add element, go to layout and drag one column under this. One issue will happen. Click on add element, go to headline, drag one here, and then go to styling, make it pop-ins, go to mode setting, make it bold. Okay, then as we said, if we take any heading paragraph, make it default 0, make it center align, then we have as seen on. So as seen on, then we can go to styling, make the font a little bit large, just like that. Then we can see how it looks. Then we have poll logos, trust logos, how we can add. We can click on add element again, go to layout and drag 4 column under this one. Now we can click on add element and then take those images, that means the images, these images as an image. So click on that, go to general and upload the image. So upload it, okay, and that's how you can just do it properly. Okay, that is the point. So let's choose the image and this image will be there. Now you can just replace the image with the other logos. Okay, but in that case you can see these images is not have them that much space. So we'll click on the section and we'll drag this, we'll shrink this with the max width. Okay, I think 830 will be much better. As you can see, that looks perfect. Okay, now we can just remove the images and everything, and if you see that design in mobile, it turned into slider. Okay, now we can do the same here as well, or we can go to mobile and we can make it, go to raw, make it 2 column per line. That will look good as well, no issue with it. But one issue, as you can see, that our first section goes second and it is showing as a first section. We don't want it to be just like that. So click on that, go to section, drag that top of that after switching to mobile. Okay, now we can see it is showing perfectly. Or if you want to make slider just like them, it is also very easy to click on add element and then go to slideshow and then choose this image, image 1, and then just for same logic applied here, just hide that raw or that slideshow for desktop and mobile, and for that raw hide that in mobile and tablet, just like we did for the first section. So in desktop it will be 4 images, but in mobile it will be turned into a slider. So this how with the hidden or visibility logic we can achieve something similar, just like the Shrine theme is doing here, showing something not as a carousel in desktop, but it is a carousel in mobile. Now we have this area which is the scrolling text, which you cannot do by default with Pagefly, but in our template we have covered that, right? Same goes for this. If you know Pagefly, if you see my other video, you can cover those as well. Okay, like this table, this what we can call comparison table. Okay, in Pagefly you can make it and also make it mobile responsive, just like them did, and this will be included in our templates as well when you purchase the 4 Pagefly template, just like Shrine themes demo have. Okay, same goes for this. We need to think ourselves and then connect it and make it something similar, just like them. And for product page, this is good, that can be added as a swatch. But for bundles you need app like caching bundle, as we already discussed. You just need to install it, and I have a video in YouTube, you can check it and just configure it as like that. And other than that, as you can see, this section will be come from the home page already, and this section is same as like the home pages. So only this section will be new in that product page. Other than that, all section, maximum of the section we already did. This section has to be done in product page. This is already done in home page, but we just need to do the first section of our product page, just like Shrine theme. So this how you can build it yourself. If you understand how to use Pagefly, so it can be done by yourself and without any issue. So if you find it helpful, do smash that like button, and also if you want to purchase the theme, the links will be given in the description.